Hi, I'm the Boss Problem Buster, founder of the Pay Raise Commando, a senior organizational consultant of 24 years, having worked across cultures, industries, and ranks. I'm also a social psychologist with a master's and a bachelor's degrees, both with honors. My team and I train past over corporate professionals like you to get that pay raise and promotion you're overdue for, so that you can finally kill your Monday blues before you sink further and bring your inner joy back, which is the best part of my job and the goal of this channel. Kill your Monday blues and bring your inner joy back. Now, back to the salt mines. The amount of tension between you two also depends on the reason for the breakup. Was it just a drifting apart situation, or an irreconcilable difference one, or a full-on betrayal situation? In which case the tension between you can grow to a level of full-fledged toxicity that can poison your soul and everybody's around you, not to mention the added layer of humiliation. And what happens when Schmoopy has a new partner outside of the office, or God forbid at the office, on the same team, or somewhere else in the department, the floor, the organization? Oi, vey. That's not a Yiddish reference, but a Two and a Half Men reference. Never mind. And just like with a breakup initiation, this also never happens simultaneously, exactly on the dot for both of you. One of you will fall in love with another person first. Then what? And even if the breakup is truly amicable, that does not exclude the possibility of jealousy. I don't mean it in any bad way, just the natural human way we have all experienced. And all of this mess applies to just generally being on the same team. Imagine what it's like if you're actually having to cooperate on a specific task or project, maybe even just the two of you alone. Yikes! If you'd like the full transcript of this video and all the videos on this channel, see the link in the description. It's on our website, bossproblembuster.com, because it's too long to paste here, so not a trick to get you there. But if you do hop over, you'll find many practical reads and a forum where you can discreetly and anonymously ask us anything in regards to landing that promotion and pay raise, to which we reply very quickly. So if you'd like to get a promotion with a pay raise, or a pay raise independent of a promotion, kill your Monday blues and bring your inner joy back, then subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell so that we can meet again.